Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to withdraw from Binance to DSJ on mobile. Transferring funds from Binance to DSJ might seem like a simple copy and paste job, but this is one of those moments where a single mistake can cost you everything. You're dealing with blockchain transactions, which means once you send it, there's no undo button. No support team can reverse it if something goes wrong. First, log into your DSJ app. Then tap Assets. This is your wallet hub inside DSJ. Once you're here, tap on Deposit. Then select Ethereum. This determines what you must send from Binance. If you select ETH, then send ETH. Now, tap Copy Address. Launch the Binance app or website. Then tap Withdraw. Select the coin, so choose Ethereum. Then select the network as well, so choose Ethereum. If mismatched, the funds will be lost permanently. Next, paste the deposit address you copied from DSJ. Then, input how much ETH you want to send. Send a small test amount first. This confirms everything works before sending more. Finally, tap Withdraw. Review details carefully. Complete any verification and confirm the withdrawal. What happens next? Binance processes the withdrawal, Ethereum network confirms it, and funds arrive in your DSJ account. To summarize, withdrawing from Binance to DSJ involves copying your deposit address from DSJ, going to Binance, selecting Withdraw, choosing Ethereum and the correct network, pasting the address, entering the amount, and confirming the transaction. Accuracy at every step is critical. And that's how to withdraw from Binance to DSJ exchange. The process is simple, but only if you stay careful and intentional. Never rush crypto transfers. Always double check everything and start small until you're confident. Because in crypto, one small mistake can cost everything, but one careful habit can protect you long term. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.